So for this week's Trades of the Week, we're going to take a look at some recent precious metals trades. It's been quite quiet on a lot of the markets for the last sort of week or so, but there have been some nice moves over the last month. So starting off really with a look at silver, the most recent trade on this one, meeting the objectives is here, 29th of January, and a nice short trade there on silver. Still in this trade, looking for just a little bit more, but it has moved a good 4% or so in its favour. So quite a nice movement so far on silver. Looking back a few weeks as well, copper, a nice buy on that market, also buying there on the 3rd of February. We can see really in the latter part of last week, copper really starting to gather speed, moving to quite a healthy profit, and especially as to today's highs as well. So a really nice move on copper also. Then looking through to gold, we had a buy signal on gold just Friday night, so we've already seen about a 100-point move in our favour. So really that's all we're looking for. This is an opportunity that is against the trend. We've actually technically hit that 100-point objective already on that first day, so that was a really nice move as well. And then the final two precious metals to look at really, platinum here. That gave a buy just a day earlier than that gold trade. So here we can see the buy 26th of February, those indicators again turning from red to green to give that buy there 1171.0. And here the market, you can see it 1186.0. So it's rallied best part of I think 140 points or so on that market. So really nice move on platinum, and some good profits to be taken. And we called this in the workshop that we host for customers, telling people to look at this trade come 10 o'clock on Thursday night. We talked about that in the Thursday morning workshop, and from there, of course, as I say, a lot of trends on users getting on this trade. Not necessarily one of the mainstream markets we trade, but with the workshop, a lot of people getting into it and picking up some very healthy profits, even in just one day on that trade there. And then final look through to Palladium. This market continues to rally, quite a strong rally over the last 6 or 7 days really, from what was very much sideways action for the prior month. The actual original trade was back on the 23rd of January at 772.6 for Palladium there. So nice trade, bouncing off quite strong support on a number of higher time frames, using that support very well and finding that base. Moved on really nicely for the first couple of days, sideways here for the next 3 or 4 weeks, and here we can eventually see the market moving on now, retesting those January and December highs. A really nice profit on Palladium as well. So a bit of a mix there from the different precious metals. We've got some sniper trades, some swing trades, and pivot trades, a good variety of different opportunities, but all 5 of those metals there coming through with some great profits for trend signal users. It's rules based, it's red to green, it's just simply about being able to identify those opportunities, and that's something we can very much teach you with. So why don't you tune into one of our online webinars that we host every week. You can find out a lot more about our strategies, how we identify them, how simple they can be for you to identify those trades as well. Thanks very much for listening.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.